Money. It's the one thing that most people desire to manifest in their lives. And who wouldn't want more of it? It can buy us freedom, give us experiences, and allow us to live our dreams. But what if I told you there's a way to make money magnetic? That's right. Neville Goddard's powerful teachings can help you attract more abundance into your life in just 5 simple steps. Whether you're struggling to make ends meet or simply want to take your financial abundance to the next level, Neville Goddard's teachings have the power to transform your life. In this video, we'll explain the 5 steps you need to take to become a money magnet. But before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon to join our YouTube family. So let's now dive in. Step 1. Recognize that the desired financial state already exists. If you're like most people, you probably spent some time daydreaming about a life of financial abundance and prosperity. Maybe you've even tried a few things to achieve that kind of success, from budgeting and saving to investing and entrepreneurship. But no matter what you've done so far, it might feel like you're still a long way from your goal. So what's the secret to manifesting money, wealth, and prosperity? The first step is recognition. That might sound a little abstract, but bear with us. When we talk about recognition, we mean recognizing that the desired financial state already exists. In other words, you need to believe that it's possible to achieve the kind of success you're dreaming of. This might seem obvious, but for many people, it's a huge stumbling block. They get so caught up in their current reality that they can't even imagine a different one. Recognizing that the desired financial state already exists is a crucial first step in manifesting money, wealth, and prosperity using the law of assumption. If you can understand that there are infinite possibilities and countless versions of ourselves, you can acknowledge the existence of a reality where you have already achieved the financial success you desire. This profound shift in perspective opens you up to manifesting wealth and prosperity. But how do you cultivate that recognition? It all starts with your mindset. Cultivating an abundance mindset is essential for this step. Instead of focusing on scarcity and lack, focus on abundance and possibility. Replace limiting beliefs about money and wealth with positive, empowering thoughts that create a mental environment that is conducive to manifesting financial success. For example, instead of thinking, "I'll never be able to afford that," try reframing it as, "How can I make that happen?" Instead of thinking, "Money doesn't grow on trees," try thinking, "There is an endless supply of abundance available to me." These might seem like small changes, but they can make a huge difference in your mindset. It's also important to reevaluate your beliefs about money. Deeply ingrained beliefs can often hold us back from manifesting our desires. Reflect on any negative beliefs you may have about money, such as money is the root of all evil or rich people are greedy. By addressing and transforming these beliefs, we can create a mindset that supports our financial goals and allows us to align with the reality where our desired financial state already exists. This transformation requires unwavering faith and persistence. It's not enough to just say some positive affirmations and hope for the best. You need to truly believe that financial success is possible for you and then take consistent action toward that goal. This might mean making changes to your spending habits, seeking out new income opportunities, or investing in yourself and your skills. Aligning your thoughts and actions with the reality where your desired financial state already exists paves the way for manifesting money, wealth, and prosperity in your life. Believe that you are deserving and capable of financial success, and the universe will respond accordingly. This might sound a little woo-woo, but it's based on sound psychological principles. When you focus on the positive and take action toward your goals, you're more likely to see results. Remember, manifesting financial success is not about becoming someone else or achieving something that is out of reach. It's about recognizing that the desired financial state already exists and aligning yourself with that reality. With dedication, perseverance, and an abundance mindset, you can manifest the financial success you desire. It might take some time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Step 2. Enter the desired state mentally. If you're ready to manifest financial abundance in your life, then it's time to start aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the reality where you've already achieved your financial goals. This is a critical step in the manifestation process because it helps you create a powerful mental blueprint that guides your subconscious mind toward manifesting your desired reality. One of the best ways to start aligning yourself with the desired financial state is to adopt the habits, thought patterns, and actions of the version of yourself who has already achieved financial success. Start by budgeting your expenses, investing your money wisely, networking with successful people, and learning new skills relevant to wealth building. By doing these things, you're not only acting as if you've already achieved your financial goals, but you're also sending a powerful signal to the universe that you're ready to receive abundance in your life. Another important aspect of aligning yourself with your desired financial state is cultivating gratitude and appreciation for the wealth and resources you already have in your life. This practice raises your vibrational frequency, making it easier to attract more abundance into your life. So take a moment each day to focus on the positive aspects of your life and express gratitude for all the blessings you've received. It is also essential to take inspired action toward your financial goals. This means listening to your intuition and acting by your vision of financial success. If you feel guided to seek new opportunities, pursue further education, or expand your professional network, then go for it. But remember, inspired action should feel natural and in harmony with your vision of financial success. Step 3. Recognize and overcome limiting beliefs. Have you ever felt like you're not good enough or deserving of financial abundance? These negative thoughts or self-talk patterns are known as limiting beliefs, which can hinder your ability to achieve your financial goals. It's crucial to recognize and overcome these mental barriers to pave the way for the successful manifestation of your financial desires. The first step in overcoming limiting beliefs is identifying negative thoughts or self-talk patterns that might be holding you back. You need to reflect on your upbringing, societal influences, or past experiences that may have contributed to these beliefs. Once you recognize the limiting beliefs, challenge and reframe them by replacing them with more empowering and positive thoughts. For example, instead of thinking, "I don't deserve to be wealthy," replace that belief with, "I am worthy of financial success and abundance." This reframing helps to reinforce the idea that you deserve to be financially prosperous and helps you reprogram your subconscious. It's also helpful to practice affirmations, visualization, and meditation to reinforce these new positive beliefs. Visualization involves creating a clear mental picture of the life you want to lead, while affirmations involve repeating positive statements to yourself. Meditation helps you quiet your mind and focus on your desired outcomes. Another effective strategy for overcoming limiting beliefs is to surround yourself with supportive, like-minded individuals who share your vision of financial success. Engage in personal development, read books, and attend seminars or workshops to expand your knowledge and mindset around money, wealth, and prosperity. By taking these steps, you can overcome limiting beliefs and break free from the mental barriers that may be obstructing your path to financial abundance. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality, so it's essential to have a positive mindset and to believe that you deserve financial. Step 4. Detached from the outcome. One of the most common stumbling blocks to successful manifestation is attachment to the outcome. It's natural to have a strong desire to achieve our financial goals, but the more we cling to them, the more resistance we create, hindering our progress. This is where detachment from the outcome comes in, allowing us to surrender control and trust that the universe is working in our favor. Detachment from the outcome involves releasing any anxiety, fear, or doubt that may be blocking our manifestation efforts. It's about embracing the present moment and focusing on the here and now rather than worrying about the future or dwelling on past failures. By grounding ourselves in the present, we release the need to control every aspect of our manifestation journey, allowing us to trust that the universe is working in our best interest. It's important to note that detachment from the outcome doesn't mean giving up on our financial goals. Instead, it's about holding a clear vision of what we want to manifest while allowing the universe to bring it to fruition in its own time. Holding on too tightly to our desires can create resistance, hindering our progress. By surrendering our desires and trusting the process, we create a space for the universe to deliver the money, wealth, and prosperity we seek, allowing our manifestations to unfold naturally and effortlessly. Cultivating patience and faith in the manifestation process is essential to detach from the outcome. We need to understand that the universe works on its timeline, and sometimes the things we desire may take longer than we expect to manifest. It's crucial to stay positive and continue to align our thoughts, emotions, and actions with our desired financial state. Trusting that God knows the best path for us is key to letting go of our need to control every aspect of our manifestation journey. Step 5. Show gratitude and maintain a positive attitude. Gratitude is a powerful force that can amplify your manifestation efforts by attracting more abundance and prosperity into your life. To practice gratitude, make it a habit to express thankfulness for the blessings and abundance you already have in your life. This can be done through journaling, meditation, or simply verbalizing your appreciation. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life and acknowledging the progress you've made, you raise your vibration and attract even more positive experiences. Maintaining a positive attitude is also crucial for successful manifestation. Cultivate an optimistic mindset by surrounding yourself with uplifting and inspiring people, engaging in activities that bring you joy, and focusing on the positive aspects of any situation. Reframe challenges as opportunities for growth and learning rather than setbacks. Visualization and affirmations can also help you maintain a positive attitude. Envision yourself as already having achieved your financial goals and repeat empowering statements such as, "I am prosperous, money flows effortlessly to me," or "I attract wealth and abundance with ease." By showing gratitude for your current circumstances and maintaining a positive attitude, you create a powerful high-vibration energy that can magnetize the money, wealth, and prosperity you desire, making it easier for the universe to deliver your manifestations. Manifesting plenty, riches, and success in the vast fabric of life is a path that requires one to harmonize with the cosmic forces that govern our reality. To attract the abundance we desire from the universe, we must first create a sacred link with it via the dance of self-awareness, mental clarity, concentrated purpose, and letting go of limiting beliefs. With an appreciative spirit and an optimistic outlook, we can forge our destinies and turn our hopes and aspirations into reality. When we join the universe in co-creating a reality full of wealth and plenty, the ability to alter our financial destiny rests deep within our hearts. In this cosmic drama, embrace this intellectual and spiritual route because it is the way to the realization of our deepest longings. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of this method by Neville Goddard. And of course, this doesn't mean we agree with every single thing he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form his or her own opinion, and that is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.